I'm Madison Lee, and today I'm reacting to a K-pop reaction video, and I'm reacting to KANGTA and his new song Cough Syrup. This came out 1 week ago. If you don't know who KANGTA is, he is a member of the really K-90s K-pop boy group called HOT, and I love his singing so much, so yeah. So this is 3 minutes 35 seconds long. So anyway, here we go. Oh my gosh, KANGTA! Look at him! Look at him! Look at him! His eyes! Vessel! Stop! Oh, look at his t-shirt! Okay, KANGTA! His look is so good! What's going on? Don't walk up. Ooh! I can't! The KANGTA's eyes. Oh! Oh my gosh, I love his song Cough Syrup. I just have KANGTA music so much. But you guys tell me what you think about KANGTA. Is it and his music video to Cough Syrup? Leave comments below now. Tell me what you think. Tell me what K-pop groups you want me to react to. And yeah. But make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I will post a division video link below so you guys can watch the original video. my links to my other stuff too will also be able to make sure you give this, check them out. Oh, I can't talk right now. Subscribe to my channel to become a man ISO today, and make sure you hit that notification bell too. So this has been your girl Madison. I will see you guys in the next reaction video. Bye guys.